Sobrang galing mo magdala ng problema. Akala tuloy ng iba ang
Kamusta na ako? Eto, patuloy pa rin hinahanap kung sa...
But who's to blame for a love that wouldn't bloom, for the hearts that never played in tune, like a lovely melody that everyone can sing. Take away the words that rhyme, it doesn't mean a thing. And Aubrey was her name. We tripped the lightning